Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the shining light. Shine, baby, shine so the entire world can see you. You are the torch leading everyone out of the wilderness. You are the lighthouse that's guiding all the boats into safety. So these crazy tides and these darkness and the wildernesses that everyone is walking through, you are the safety to make sure everyone can travel out and get out safely. How and why? Because you found a way to get out of this dark time, and you found safety by creating a life for yourself. And not only does it help you, but it helps service the world, because I need you. The world needs you. So I want you to stay continuously productive. I want you to continue to let your light shine, baby, shine to its brightest extent, and don't let anything dim your light, because your service is unmatched and much appreciated. My desire to improve myself transforms fear into strength. I raise my thoughts above doubt and find faith in the goodness of the universe. I love and accept myself as a soul, and I discover the light that dwells within me. Shine, baby, shine, for the rest of the world is watching you, and we're following you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.